freedom, the power or right to act, speak, think or decide as one. जैसे कि बोलने की आज़ादी, सोचने की आज़ादी, खाना खाने की आज़ादी, खेलने की आज़ादी, पढ़ने की आज़ादी, सब कुछ की आज़ादी।
Election is a process in which the citizens exercise their right to vote to choose a person or a group of persons for the formation of a government. Judge, a person who decide a dispute between two or more persons as per the law of the land. जज दो या दो बंदे के बीच में झगड़ा हो जो फैसला सुनाता है वो होता है जज। सेट ऑफ रूल्स व्हिच कैन बी इन्फोर्स्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट। वो नंबर ऑफ रूल्स है जो सरकार लोगों से फोर्सफुली अवर करवाती है। द पर्पस ऑफ लॉ इज टू क्रिएट अ हार्मोनियस सोसाइटी वेयर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स कैन लिव इन पीस एंड हैप्पीनेस by observing their duties and respecting the rights of others while enjoying their rights. The violators of law are punished as per rules so that harmony and peace in the society is not disturbed. One must wear a helmet while driving a motorbike as per law. Demand for dowry in marriage is prohibited by law. No one can pollute water and air as per law. No one can destroy the public property as per law. Illegal digging of public road is a violation of law. Illegal blocking of public road is a violation of law. Playing loud music is a violation of law. Administration of food is a violation. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the integrity of the nation. Tax is that money which is paid by the public to the government. टैक्स वो पैसा है जो हम गवर्नमेंट को पे करते हैं पब्लिक को।
टाइप्स ऑफ टैक्स क्या है?
रोड टैक्स, इनकम टैक्स, जीएसटी टैक्स।
टैक्स हम गवर्नमेंट को कैसे पे करते हैं?
जैसे हमने 5 रुपए का चीज लिया तो 3 रुपए का वो सामान हुआ, 2 रुपए वो गवर्नमेंट को जाता है टैक्स।
टैक्स के पैसे से गवर्नमेंट ने क्या देने हैं?
पब्लिक रोड बनाना है, पब्लिक हॉस्पिटल, पब्लिक स्कूल, पब्लिक पार्क, पब्लिक रोड, पब्लिक हॉस्पिटल, ऐसे बहुत।
पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी क्या है?
Public property is that property which is built by the for government by using for tax money. D for democracy means there is, E for election, in the election there is, V for vote, whosoever gets the maximum vote gets, E for elected, the one who gets elected mix the G for government and gets T for tax money providing our right. Right to life, right to food, right to shelter, right to education, right to equality, right to health environment, right to life with human dignity. Government. We will file a case in the court.